reviewing this. My multi-tool. I got it today. Pliers. Don't know what this part is for. This is for cutting wires. I don't know what this part is for. Okay. Bottle opener. What's the button? Got a file. Focus. Not focusing. Focus. Well, you guys get the point. It's a file. Not much you know about it. You can talk if you want. You say hi?
Hi.
This is like a miniature knife or something. And I think this is the flat nose screwdriver or whatever they're called. Okay. Start with the X screwdriver or plus sign screwdriver. Oh, it won't focus. Focus.
I'm going to be using a four-wheeler, but it's going to pull along the 2x4s.
Okay. Sorry guys, it will not focus. Maybe if we turn on... Ow, my eyes. Focus now? Oh.
Last and final step is ratchet strap.
Okay, this is the plus screwdriver and I think another flat nose screwdriver or whatever they're called. I'm not good with these kind of things. Okay, it has a serrated blade. Press the button, watch your fingers. When you have these, you gotta press that button, but always make sure to watch your fingers or it could go chop your fingers off.
Do I got?
Huh?
I don't know what
It was a dinosaur. Okay, and we got a knife.
No, talk to me.
You can see down the line.
What?
Pull it nice and tight. A little at the very end where you want it round the corner, but where it's actually straight, it's tight. And pull. And we're not bending any of it.
And this is what it looks like on the outside. Pretty nice.
Yeah, because we're coming on this side, because we're coming this direction.
You want to bring your cards here so they can see?
Yeah.
Okay. Taking these off. Sorry if you guys can't hear me that well.
Yeah, when I'm doing
I know.
What do you want me to bring?
Your cards if you want, so you can show them. Someone coming in here. Hi. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Dance.
You okay?
You want to go get your cards?
If my ask me when I'm done, tell get my cars.
I know.
I'm just getting my cars.
Look at this. Pretty strong. I'm built different. You guys want to know what I got? $5. And got some Pokemons. What? Scared me. Got some Pokemon cards. Okay. My cousin here wanted to show you guys his new cars he got for Christmas. Not for Christmas. I forget what it's called. My sister's birthday. Yeah. So this one.
Can I bring my pal?
Yeah, if you want. So we have that one.
Tell them I said we're in a minute.
Okay. My cousin will be back very quickly. Door Slammer? Nitro Door Slammer? That's cool.
Okay.
That's a cool name. Got the Nitro Door Slammer. Oh yeah, you guys can't see it. Here, let me pause it and turn it around. Out that. Oh. I just figured out that you can't do that. he wanted to show you guys his dinosaur pillow.
No way back there.
Okay, we got this nitro door slammer. Pretty cool. Okay, we put it in gently.
Tell them I said 1 minute.
He says, wait a minute, he'll be back in a second. How does this go in? Oh, so we have this one, pretty cool, purple. Don't have the best video quality. Plus, it is 1:42 at midnight, so pretty dark. Put this for long, okay. And this is just a cool convertible. Cool little convertible. Look on the inside. Kind of hard because the camera won't focus. Making me angry. Okay. And the last one is cool little purple car. Another purple one. And it's pretty cool looking. Huh? Oh no. My grandma Nini is watching something on the TV. And here's the box. If you guys want to go find some, just flip the video around to read it or something. Because I don't know how to flip the camera around so you guys can read it. Wait. No, it's on a charger.
Did you show them my truck?
Uh-huh. Okay. Should this be where we end it?
What do you think?
Yeah. It's already 6 minutes long. So, you want to do the outro? So what you're going to do is put your fist up to this little dot, okay? 3, 2, 1.
When if it blinds me.
It won't. Just put your fist up to it.
I'm gonna put